Honest first look and first impression of the Homeika vacuum from Amazon. Now, I've had vacuums before that don't have good battery life. Does this one have a good battery life? That's one of the most important things. Well, as you can see here, we've picked up quite a bit of dirt in here. We've been using it throughout the home. We're at 39% right now. And whenever I got this out of the box here a few hours ago, this was at about 50%. So I'd say you could cover about 5,000 square feet on one battery charge. So however large your home is, just keep that in mind. You might want to get some additional batteries if you're looking for that additional time. Now, like I was mentioning here, we have multiple pets. It's basically a circus. We have 2 cats, 2 dogs, and a bunny rabbit. So this thing has to be strong for us, and it does an amazing job. So much better than our other vacuums before that we've had. You can easily mount the charger to the wall, easily charge the vacuum. You can take the battery off and just plug that battery into that mount, and it will be charged really quickly. So we're really excited to have this new vacuum. We're really enjoying it. And as pet owners and as a pet family, we would highly recommend. It is doing an amazing, fantastic job, and the battery life is great. And another thing, it is super, super lightweight. You can easily pick it up with one hand. And I love how whenever you need to adjust the height, all you need to do is pull on this and you can adjust how tall or short you want it to be. So grab it today off of Amazon. Hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.